Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of the tutorial I made on how to draft a short. Alright, in my previous tutorial we drafted the front panel of the short. Okay, so this is the front panel. So in today's tutorial we are going to be drafting the back panel of the short. So how do you know the amount of fabric to fold on the back panel? In the front panel we folded 15 inches. All right, in the front panel we folded 15 inches. Okay, so on the back panel you can fold 15 inches with extra 4 to 5 inches, 15 inches with extra 4 to 5 inches. Okay, so let's see what I folded. This is 15 inches and I folded with extra 4 inches. Okay, so that is 19 inches. You can add 3 inches, you can add 4 inches, okay, depending on your fabric. All right, so let's go. So after folding that, that's what I just folded it into two. Don't be confused, just folded it into two. Yeah, so this is 19 inches, right? Make everything very equal. 19 inches. Okay, so after folding you place the front panel on the back panel you folded. All right, place the front panel on the back panel you folded, leaving some inches at the top. All right, remember we came down on the front panel by half an inch. That is why this place is slanted. Okay, so leave like 2 to 3 inches at the top, right? Because the back panel is always higher than the front panel. When drafting a short, the back panel is always higher than the front panel, even for trousers too. Okay, so now you add your major allowances on the back panel. I just added some small allowance on the front panel. On the back panel you add your major allowances. Okay, so now we're going to come up by 2 inches here. All right, why? So that when you sit down your bum will not show. Okay, that's why the back panel is always higher than the front panel. All right, so I'm going to add 2 inches here. All right, and connect it to the waistline. Okay, hope you can see what I'm doing. I just added 2 inches at the waist at the top and connected it to the waistline. All right, this side must be the same. You don't add any allowance on this side. This side must be the same. All your allowances will be on this side. So on this side you now add 2 inches allowance. Okay, 2 inches allowance. All right, 2 inches allowance. Okay, then on the crotch line you add 4 inches allowance, 3 to 4 inches allowance. All right, so you can add 3 inches, the person is slim. Then after that you add 2 inches allowance. Okay, you just come down and add 2 inches allowance. As you are going down to be decreasing, 2 inches allowance. Okay, all right, so if you are a beginner, let me show you the simple way to cut it. Okay, if you are a beginner, let me just show you a little trick you will use in cutting it to avoid confusion. All right, so cut this side first. I hope you can see what I'm doing. You cut the side first. Okay, right, then you cut this side. Okay, then you move the front panel to the crotch, making sure that the crotch aligns. All right, as simple as A, B, and C. All right, making sure that the crotch aligns. All right, okay. Then you cut. You see, it's very simple. Okay. simple as A, B, and C. So in that way, the crotch is now the same. So you move your fabric back, okay? Very simple. Move your fabric backwards, all right? Then continue with your markings, all right? Move your fabric backwards, okay? Very simple. Then continue with your markings. I just did that because of the cross line, okay? Make sure everything is smooth and straight, all right? Then continue with your markings. See what I did? Okay? As simple as A, B, and C. So that is it for the back panel. All right? In order for you to cross-check if the crotch is the same, you fold the crotch towards each other. You see? So it's a bit different. You fold it towards each other and mark. Okay? So you come down by ½ inch and correct that place. That's all. Okay? As simple as A, B, and C. So we have the front panel, okay, and the back panel, okay. The front panel, don't make the mistake, this is front, and this is the back, right? As simple as A, B, and C. Okay, so let me quickly teach you how to cut the band, alright? Now our waist measurements, remember we use our hip measurements to cut the waist. So our hip measurement, the band must go around the hip because we're going to put elastic inside to gather it up. Our hip measurement was 42 inches, so our band must be 42 inches. You can add extra 1 inch if you are scared of making a mistake, okay? I've already cut out my band. My fabric was not enough, so I cut out 2 bands, okay? I'm going to join it and measure 42 inches and cut it out, all right? So look at what you do. Very simple. Remember that we left 2 inches for the band. You need 2 inches for band, all right? So what you do, you just fold 4 inches. You fold 4 inches, all right? So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So what I'm going to fold is 2 inches, all right? You can fold 2 inches and you mark, okay? But if you don't want to do that, you can simply open it up, all right, and mark for 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches, and 4 inches. Then you cut it out. So by the time you fold it, it will become 2 inches. That was exactly what I did. Because my fabric was not long enough, I cut out 4 inches, okay? We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Till I see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.